In the gas phase, the particles are in constant random motion and they travel at different velocities. So here, for example, we have a diatomic gas being hydrogen. And the frequencies of collision and average spacing between the gas particles depends on temperature, pressure, and the volume occupied by the gas. So for example, if the container is smaller, then the volume occupied by the gas decreases, and therefore the pressure increases, because the gas particles hit each other and the walls of the container more often. And when the particles interact with each other more often, that causes an increase in kinetic energy of the gas particles, and therefore an increase in temperature. And we'll make similar observations when we look at the ideal gas law. And because of the constant random motion of the particles, and the minimal effects of the forces between the particles, being weak van der Waals forces, then the gas doesn't have a definite volume or shape. So in other words, the volume occupied by the gas is going to keep changing.